I'm here outside the Westpac Stadium. I'm going to walk to the station, so I thought I'll take you with me because I can. Although I was inside the Westpac Stadium at a function centre, I decided not to start in there just so there'd be no issues about being taking photographs on private property and stuff and things like that. This is a huge expanse you have to walk along if you're ever coming to the stadium from the railway station or anywhere else for that matter. Pretty much out at the end of Wellington, pretty much. Just beyond here you've got the highway going to other places. I'll just turn back so you can actually see the front of the stadium itself. Got some interesting carvings on there. I'll zoom back in a moment and do another pan. So you can see the ticket numberings and such. Westpac Stadium. I was thinking about doing this before. And huh? What? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. No, off to the station. We're just, wandering around having a look. It's part of the city over here. There's also a big car park area underneath the stadium where people have got their stuff. Can't remember what the street is out here. You can see part of the railway yard up there. Exciting trains. Only there are no exciting trains. That's where we'll be heading. It's not a hugely populous area right here, even though it is fairly close to the bulk of the city. But no, there is a mall area. This seems to have a lot of kids, little wee kids area in there. 4 or 5 stores that just deal with kids stuff. And it's starting to rain, yay! I don't know if it's going to get on the lens or not. Gonna probably move a bit quicker. They've got various things around that place too. Don't know exactly what the intention of the steel thing over there is and such. Possibly just to help move traffic along when they've got a lot of people on here, and when stadium events happening it can get quite packed. A lot of people come to the stadium, it's quite a big one. Yeah, more over there. But not at the moment obviously. And actually quite often the stadium is not packed at all because it's not really a great centre for people to come to and put things on. Oh, the number of celebrities and such that we've never had down here because we don't have a decent place to have celebrities. I don't know. Yeah, it's just exciting just walking along for a while. You can see how long the video is. Most of it is going to be walking along here. I'm going to go down through the station so you can see what our own Wellington railway station looks like. Sure, still recording. Well, over there is various businesses. Rugby Union Building Custom House. That's the new customs building. And then you've got all the docks and shipping containers and everything out there. We're on the Fran Wilde Walk. I don't know if you can see it terribly well. Get a good up close picture later. Heading towards it now. I knew there's something informative about this place around here, but I couldn't remember where. Here it is. So, I'm not going to read all this. I'm just going to scan it, and if you can make something out of it on the recording, good for you. There's a Fran Wilde Walk. A little wee display of "We are here." Built by Wellingtonians. Yada 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 yada. You can read that if you want. Pause and read it. I can't actually read it that well either. I don't know how well you're reading it. Spend a whole lot of money from a whole lot of people, facts and figures. Doesn't say how many people it can fit. But you can go to the website for more information. What's on the side? Haha. So we're going the other way. And Honourable Fran Wilde. Probably the side we should have started with, but whatever. And zoom out again. Full cohesive picture. Yeah, so that's the Fran Wilde Walk. Now, if you continue on straight down that way, you will get, and you'll then take a right and end up pretty much at the, just across from where the buses are. That's where I'm going. But I'm going to go through the railway station because it'll be slightly drier, and as I said, you get to see the railway station. Unless people nick this from me. We should be here just before the school kiddies get out, so hopefully we won't have a huge masses of kids all over the place. Hopefully fairly quiet. There's more car parking over there. That's part of the you got the stores I was talking about. Yeah. Okay, we'll stop there for a moment. JK Kids, Small Fry, Early Learning Centre. The joy of being a kid. All kid-centered stores. And then you've got clothing places like Easy Buy and Freedom. Maybe Freedom's a paint store, can't recall. Point is, no one goes there. It's a bit of a dead area. It's dying out. In some ways, when I travel through the streets of Wellington on the buses and stuff, I look around and go, there's quite a few places closing down. How much longer before Wellington becomes a ghost town? Which is a pretty unusual thing for it to happen. It's the centre of capital New Zealand and all that, and yet I'm not at the moment in time going to be entirely shocked if it does end up happening. See one of the exciting trains. Woo! Standard train. Platforms here, servicing the main routes of Param, Upper Hutt, Lower Hutt, and Johnsonville, I think is the other one. Cool. And the various capital connections that go from Wellington to Auckland and other big long sort of along the country services like that. These are the new trains, the My Tingy trains. Spent a lot of money getting them. Spent a lot of money more trying to get them to work. And I'm still not sure how well they're used at the moment. I'm not even sure I've ever sat in one. So they certainly look a lot nicer. I want them to have a fair few people taking videos, and here you've got all sorts of tourists going and going, look, I'm in Wellington railway station, whee! Not to mention dozens of photographs. I'm thinking there were OE people. Backpacks. There used to be a backpack area here, they seem to go off and run of it. Good place to store backpacks. So the stadium is over there. Not a lot. It's where the buses actually go from over that end. It's time platform 9. We've got New World Metro, which continues out to there, the foyer. I'll just pop in through the foyer just to show you the floor and such. It's a really cool looking floor. Ooh. Nope, I think they're in trouble with that. Look at this. That's pretty cool. And the ceiling cover. Can't be the only one doing this. I'll just back up a bit so you can see and try not to hit the kids who are obviously trying to kiss. Yeah. It's one of the best parts of the railway station is this foyer bit. It's the old though, it's been much been renovated since then. Yeah, platform 9 3/4 because we have to, yay! The annoying thing is it's not actually at where the 9 3/4 platform should be. Buy tickets, and you've got tracks, cafe, bar, place, which is could be cheaper onto the city buses. So, boom. So this little under street area here. Go up Victoria, you need to go up further off to the left a bit. Go on further to where other buses can do from. And the school kids are out in force already. A lot of buskers down here. Right, see how quickly I stop this because I'll go get it on a bus. And here we have the main bus stop. No buses here at all. Excellent. So, stand on a view of the bus depot, because I will. Just missed the bus I really wanted. And bus depot, if we come down the streets we would have ended up just over there. And there is the city. But here I will leave you as I now want to catch a bus. Bye!